Welcome back to the channel where we bring you clever, practical, and affordable finds to upgrade your daily life. If you're someone who appreciates small tools that solve big problems, this list is exactly what you need. Today we're reviewing 5 must-have items, ranging from portable flashlights and shaving tools to protective screen films and household adhesives. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Adhesive wall tape. This super strong double-sided adhesive tape is one of those tools you'll find a use for almost every day. Made from transparent PVC, it's waterproof, washable, and reusable. Whether you're mounting a picture, securing a carpet, or organizing cables, this tape holds strong and stays invisible. The size is 1.2 centimeters by 3.8 centimeters, compact yet powerful enough to grit firmly without damaging your surfaces. Just wash it to restore stickiness and reuse it countless times. No nails, no mess, no tools, just clean and effective adhesion. It's the ultimate fix-it tool for any household or office setup. Number 4. Barber Razor Kit. For grooming enthusiasts or professionals, this folding straight razor kit is a must-have. It includes a steel razor handle combined with an eco-friendly plastic grip, giving it a solid, ergonomic feel. Number 3. Hydrogel screen film. If you own a Samsung S21, S22, or S23 series phone, protecting your screen just got easier with this 3-piece hydrogel screen protector set. Unlike traditional tempered glass, hydrogel film is ultra-thin, flexible, and self-healing, making it perfect for curved screens. The film offers crystal-clear display quality, full touch sensitivity, and fits various models, including the S21 Ultra, Note 20 Ultra, and more. It's designed to be bubble-free and is easy to apply without special tools. With this level of protection, you won't have to worry about scratches or daily wear and tear. Number 2. Mini LED flashlight. This isn't your typical flashlight. It's a multifunctional, high-brightness keychain LED light with a compact design and powerful features. Weighing just 39 grams, it fits in your palm, but delivers a mighty 500 lumens of light. The built-in lithium battery charges via USB Type-C and lasts up to 50 hours depending on mode. It includes 7 lighting modes: white, yellow, red, flashing, and even a long press ultra-bright feature for emergencies. Water-resistant and shock-resistant, this portable torch is perfect for camping, hiking, working at night, or just keeping handy on your keyring for safety. Number 1. Leather Key Wallet. Keep your keys organized in style with this genuine cow leather key wallet by Contacts. Designed with a minimalist yet functional barrel shape, it comfortably holds multiple keys, cards, or small essentials, all in one slim pouch. Measuring 12 centimeters by 5 centimeters, it fits easily in your pocket or bag. The zipper ensures your valuables stay secure, while the solid cowhide leather adds durability and a premium feel. Perfect for men who appreciate quality and like to keep things simple but elegant, this is more than just a wallet. It's a smart, everyday companion. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.